Attorney, na ako'y utang 30% ang interest per week. Kung dili ko makabayad na ay penalty nga 200 pesos per day. Unsay angay nako buhaton, wala man mi kasulatan ug wala sad mi pinirmahan, nagkadako ng interest. Okay, so yung problema niya is meron daw siyang utang at ang interest na ipinataw is 30% per week. At kapag hindi siya nakapagbayad, may additional na penalty na 200 pesos per day on top of the 30% interest rate. At wala daw silang kontrata or written agreement. Okay, pagdating sa usaping utang, kapag walang pinirmahang kontrata or walang written agreement, under the Civil Code, no, Article 2209, ang pwedeng ipataw na interest rate ay 6% lamang per year. Okay, 6% per year. And that is the legal interest rate imposed by the law. Okay? So kapag ang ipinataw na interest, kahit wala naman kayong written agreement, ay mas malaki sa legal interest rate na 6%, that may be considered as usurious, excessive, and unconscionable. So meaning, kapag dumating sa korte or kapag nagkaso-kaso or nagdemandahan kayo at pagdating sa korte, pwede itong bawasan ng korte at gawin lamang na 6% per year, okay? Because that is the legal interest rate in the absence of a written agreement. Okay, so I hope that's clear. That's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.